Good morning, Adrian here from 40plushometrain.com. What I'm going to do for the next 30 days is I'm going to take you through step by step of my first journey on intermittent fasting. I will do 18 hours of fasting and 6 hours of eating, but importantly for me, it will be almost 100% keto diet with one cheat meal per week of carbohydrates. Okay, it's day one, so I'm taking a weight with the phone in my hand. So my weight today is 93.4 kilos, including the phone. As you can see, the date is 23rd of August. I'm 83.4 kilos, 63 years old. Day one, breakfast, it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm having 5 eggs, 1 yellow, cup of coffee, an onion, some coriander. 7 o'clock in the evening, on my second meal. This is just boiled broccoli and boiled chicken, very low calories. So that's the end of day one. Total calories about 650 calories today only. Not very hungry. So it's now 7:30 in the evening. Started eating at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Just 2 meals and peanut butter and a cup of coffee. Talk to you soon. Day 5, just a start. 30-day challenge. I'm on 90.1. Now this will be my stomach on day 5. As you can see, it's a bit fat. So a little bit of fat here. So I've got 25 days to get rid of this. And someone said to me I'm getting a little bit of a belly, which is part of the reason I started. Good morning, day 6 of the challenge, 90.5. Good morning, day 7, 6 days dieting. Okay, and it's 89.3. It's very important to have your vitamins and your minerals that will replace what you've lost because you drink a lot of water and you're not getting quite enough from all of your food. So please ensure you do have this. Day 7, having an omelette with 2 full eggs and 4 egg whites, coriander. A free step-by-step guide of what I've eaten throughout this video is available free of charge at the end of this video, so don't panic. It's day 12 and I'm extremely hungry. I haven't had for the last 17 hours, got another hour to go. It's the first day really I've felt hungry. So far I've lost around 4 kilos, which I'm a little bit surprised it's not more. So breakfast for a change is actually tuna salad. Very low carbs, very high protein, and a little bit of seasoning. Good morning. End of 2 weeks, day 15. So my first 2 weeks is 88.9. Okay, so day 16, just having my first carbohydrates, having some rice and chicken satay. It's day 22, end of my 3 weeks, and with the phone in my hands, I'm 87.8, 87.6. So here is my 21-day update. Over the last 21 days, I've had 2 meals a day, and these were keto meals. I've had 1 cheat meal in 21 days with some rice, but the feeling I've had has been just amazing. As an ex-bodybuilder, I'm used to eating 5 to 6 times a day, all protein, little carbs, some fats, and lots of training, burn calories, grow bigger. But what's happening to me now is that I feel fantastic externally and internally. I believe that any fat that was inside my body is being eaten from my liver, from my kidneys, from my organs, and is now producing ketones. I've lost 5.8 kilos in the last 21 days. So I have another 9 days to go. But what I would recommend to anyone that is thinking of doing intermittent fasting is try this. Talk to your doctor first. If you're overweight, if you've got type 2 diabetes, if you're fat, And if you want to change your life, commit to something like this for 30 days. It will change your life forever, but commit.
Day 26 and 87.1. Day 28 and 86.6.
Day 28, I'm having half a chicken and some salad, and what I will do is I will take off the skin because of all the calories in the skin. I will just eat only meat. See you soon.
Good morning, day 28, 86.2, 86 kilos.
Just some bacon, you've got a lot of fat in there, and lots of protein.
It's 31, so 30 days done, and I'm 85.5.
It's day 31, so I've completed 30 days of intermittent fasting, and I've just lost 8 kilos in that 30 days, just eating solely keto meals except for 3 small portions of rice that I've had over a 3-week period. And it's absolutely amazing how I feel, so much so that I'm going to have one cheat day tomorrow, and then I'm going to continue the keto until I have 10 kilos, which should take possibly 12-13 days more.
It's day 34, 84.5.
It's day 34 and I've decided to have a cheat day. So I've lost 8.9 kilos up to today, so I think I deserve it. And it's my first really big cheat meal. So all I'm having is about 300 grams of steak and mashed potatoes and some butter. Good morning, it's day 35. So I was up 400 gram on the weighing scales this morning because I did have a cheat meal yesterday with some mashed potatoes and some bread. So I had a lot of carbohydrate. So that put on a little bit of weight, but it will be gone by tomorrow. Back to my keto today. And I just want to emphasize the benefits of exercising with this plan, that your body is staying in shape and starting to move around. Because if you don't, then you will fall very saggy. So my advice is do some exercise every single day. Good morning and welcome to day 37. I've lost 9.9 kilos in 36 days. So I'm hoping that tomorrow I will be down at 100 gram.
Morning, day 38, and I'm exactly down 10.1 kilos.
So good morning, the day has arrived that I've lost 10.1 kilos in the last 38 days. So it's been a tremendous journey for me personally. I feel absolutely fantastic. At 63 years old, I've been in competitive sports and bodybuilding for over 40 years. And I've had over 17, 18 operations to fix things that were wrong with my body. And for the first time in my adult life, I don't have any pain. I have no swelling. Internally, I feel amazing. Externally, my skin has changed. My outlook in life has changed. I have pretty problems, but they're not there right now. Whether they'll come back or not, I don't know. But right now, I feel fantastic. So I will share every single tip and the journey I've made for the last 38 days with everybody out there. Take some medical advice. If you want to follow, click that link below, but I will send you free of charge my plan, what worked for me in the last 38 days. I look forward to you sharing with me your journey. If you have any questions, you can join my Facebook group, 40 Plus Home Training, especially stuff that you can do that will help you lose weight. So here is the result of my waist. So as you can see, I'm starting to get the resemblance of a six-pack now, and I've lost 13 centimeters from around my waist. As you know, I've lost 10 kgs of fat with intermittent fasting. I just want to show you what I've lost on average. So every day for 38 days, I have lost 263 grams of fat. So this is 263 grams of fat. I've lost this every day. So in total, I've lost 10 kilos of this from my body. Let me show you what 10 kilos of fat looks like. This is 10 kilos of cow fat. Not quite the same as humans, but this is what's on your body, wasting space. If you need some help losing weight, if you want to go on intermittent fasting, I have a free step-by-step plan to get rid of this absolutely waste of space on your body. So click that link below and I will help you lose 10 kilos, 5 kilos, 20 kilos of fat from your body. Good luck, goodbye, be a loser, lose it. Talk to you soon. Finally, I've come to the end of the journey. So I would like to share with you before I leave some tips that help me with intermittent fasting. So tip number 1, set your goal. That goal could be anything from 1 kilo to 20 kilos and stay committed to your goal. It is a process and don't stop until you hit your target. Number 2, take your measurements. Measure your chest, your stomach, your bicep, your hip, your backside and your inner leg, and don't forget to weigh yourself. Tip number 3, download a calorie counter. There is some fantastic calorie counters out there. These will help you understand how much calories you're putting in your body for everything you eat, everything from almonds to olive oil, to chicken breast, to a steak, how many calories you're putting in your body every day. And importantly, buy kitchen scales. Weigh your food, know the portions and stay under calorie, create that calorie deficit. Number 5, very, very difficult to do. Do not eat before your time. If you're fasting for 16 hours, then you're fasting for 16 hours. Don't break it. If you're fasting for 17 or 18, then stay on your fast. Because when you're fasting, you're losing weight. Your body is eating its own fat and is producing ketones. Eat only keto foods, except on your cheat day. So keto foods is the main reason why I've lost 10 kilos in 38 days. It is very extreme, but I didn't cheat until I only had a number of cheat days. So stay on keto eating. If you feel you don't know enough about keto diet, there is a Dr. Berg who is an expert in intermittent fasting. So do some exercise every single day, be it walking, be it jogging, be it in the gym, train at home, join one of my classes, but do something to raise your heartbeat and move your body and burn calories every day. So also drink, I drink ice cold water. So drink 3 to 4 liters of ice cold water every day. The reason I say that is that if you take water out of the fridge and it's cold, it goes into your body cold and your body has to warm this up. So it comes out of your body in the toilet in 1 hour at 37 degrees. So this will burn calories. Drinking ice cold water burns hundreds of calories every single day. Create a calorie deficit every day by drinking cold water, by eating less than you need, by burning more energy than you consume. So create that calorie deficit. You will certainly 100% lose weight. So if you do lose your target, your 5, 10, 15 kilos, do not go back doing the same thing that created the weight problem in the first place. Your body will want to go back up to the weight you were because it's happy there. Your metabolism is still up there. It will take a number of months for your metabolism to come down. So do not go back eating the same stuff that made you fat in the first place. So I've noticed myself that you don't go to the toilet as regular if you're on a keto diet. So you will need to add some fiber, some flaxseed or some husk or some senecot will help when needed. So I've come to the end of my journey with you. Everything I've done there's a plan available. It will be in the description below. Thank you so much if you've looked at my video. Do join my online classes. There is a week free. The journey has been amazing for me. If you lose weight, please let me know. If you're doing the plan, please let me know. I'd love to be able to help you. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Over and out from Adrian, 40plushometrain.com. See you soon.